Hi, it's Phil in Bangkok, just here down by Soi Rumbia, down by where I live, and then across Soi 42 to this little shop here on Saturday for lunch. Get some good old Som Tum Gai Yung chicken, grilled roast chicken, and a big glass bottle of Pepsi. They still have glass bottles here. Yeah, just a little shop along the road here. There you go. It's like the Pepsi Som Tum chicken. Pepsi meal. So her Som Tum has crab in it. It's got this salty crab, which I find it a bit too salty. That's why mine is just a normal one. And we got sticky rice. So the shop's over here, and it's called, it's a nickname for it is Som Tum Nation. There's so many Som Tum shops around. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, just next to 50/5. So this is the Soi here. It's Soi Saeng, which is across the Soi from Soi Rumbia, and that's where I live down there. There's more Som Tum shops over here. This is a Saturday, so it's not as busy as on the weekday. On the weekday, it's duck and pork. On the weekday, it's really busy with all the office staff because the big office buildings on Soi Rumbia there. Snakefish. Veggie shop. Nice veggies. And then down the road there is Rama 4. Now you know part of where neighborhood is. It's Tower 42 there, and the big office building.